Boy, that water down in there is gray. Alright, so we're going to turn this into firewood. A month or two ago, storm came through, blew this tree down. It's too big to move with the excavator, so we're going to saw it off, cut it up into manageable pieces, drag it out of here, and then process it for firewood. You got a certain way you would cut it, or just fucking start cutting it?
Start loose, limb it up first, and drag it out, right?
Yeah, I think just cut it in pieces manageable enough to drag it with that mini X.
Okay.
Like these limbs can come out, just fucking cut them up. If we just throw it to the side, we can come back here with a trailer later and grab it up. But the goal is to open this trail up and take all this wood that we can and process it into firewood. I spend a lot of time not doing things that I need to do. Things that would take 15, 20, 30 minutes. But I don't do them because I'm waiting for cameras and just the right time, right? So that we can film it. But then days go by, weeks go by, a month, and we're still not done with it, and we should have just had it done. So I don't have a film guy, I don't have film crew, so I'm just gonna roll out there. They're already out there cutting this tree up. I hear the saws running. We just put new blades, new bars on the big saws. We got some commercial Husqvarna saws. So I'm just gonna roll out there with the excavator. The tree's pretty big. I'll be able to pick it up and take tension off some of the bars without having to cut a bunch of notches and then start dragging that out. So we'll just head out that way. Super pretty out here. Had a couple trees fall here. I already cut them and processed them up, got them drug out, but this other one was just too big to handle with this little excavator. Boom. Felt that all the way over here. It's just brand new. It's stretched. You got a scrunch out here, Cody? You know what kind of tree this is? It's oak, but I don't know.
It's made of wood.
Is it wood?
It's definitely oak. I don't know what kind of it.
No, I don't either. Every time I see a tree like this, I think, man, it's such a shame to cut it up into just firewood, you know? Like,
If we had a sawmill, we could actually lumber it.
even once we have these cut, I don't know how the fuck we're going to get them out of here.
Yeah, they're big.
Any wedges? Plastic ones?
Hey, we got any wedges? Do we have any wedges? You'll see if we can find some. I don't have any plastic wedges. I don't have any wedges, but we have some metal wedges for, you know, splitting wood. So I'm gonna go see if I can find those in the feed shed. We can tap those in and at least get those to work, I think. So I get back with the wedges, but they've already got the saws out somehow. Probably took pressure off with the tractors. Man, this cut wood smells so good. Ran to Tractor Supply, got wedges, which I didn't own any of, so now I have several for next time, I guess. I'm sure we'll still use them here on this, though. Every time I see a big tree cut like this, I just think it's a waste to cut it into firewood. Like, I just think that there's something cool in there that we could make. It smells so good. Yeah.
Small one cuts good too. Is that big one free? Yeah.
It is now. It was just stuck. Oh, is this free? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
How you gonna pull that out of there?
Same way I did the other one. Not easily.
No. You just got to get them straight. This will be tore up through here. But 30 days, you'll barely even know it happened. Yeah, I've smacked my head on that. All the big pieces out?
What's that?
All the big pieces are out?
The biggest stuff, yeah. We're just getting the last of the long pieces at this point.
Right on.
You can run a chainsaw.
What have you learned?
What's that?
What have you learned?
Quite a bit, actually. I've also learned that we need some chains.
Longer chains.
Longer chains and ones that don't weigh this much.
Yeah, those are for trains.
Yeah, they're heavy.
Could you imagine doing it without equipment?
No. No, I don't think we could do half of this stuff with horses if we had to.
Yeah, horses you could.
Think so?
Yeah, you'd have to have big horses.
I couldn't imagine doing this with the excavator.
No.
Having that skid steer is such a difference.
They have some kind of sealer you put on these. And then you put them up on blocks. And then you just set them and wait. And then you can cut them and, you know, make wood out of them. Look here. Look at this snake.
Oh, ringneck.
Yeah, he's damaged. He'll probably make it.
Got his neck.
It's not a ringneck though. I don't know what it
Yeah,
is.
it's something small. He's eaten recently.
Yeah. There's probably a nest of them down here in all this wood. I'll take him and put him somewhere over here. He's throwing up all over me. Or he's trying to. Sorry, buddy. You might not make it. But if you're going to, you have a fighting chance over here. Ooh, it stinks. Whatever that was, he just threw up on me. Yuck. This was 24 inches of wood chips. about exactly a year ago. And now it's just rich, dark soil with still wood chips in there. Where'd that root?
Make you realize how out of shape you are.
Where'd that root ball go?
Sucker stood back up. I cut a chunk of it off, and I had actually thought about standing on top of it to do. I'm glad I didn't, because when that sucker broke through, it just went stood back up.
Where is it?
Out there now.
Oh, you drug it out.
Yeah. Well, the root ball's still there.
Oh, okay, I see
Yeah. Once it stood up, I cut another, I don't know, 6 feet or so.
it. Shit, I'm glad you weren't on it.
Yeah, no shit. Well, it was kind of slow, but it still.
I'll bet that was the biggest tree we had. Or had.
Yeah, it's a shame. You guys get some heavy wind or something?
Yeah, at some point we did, yeah. We got one coming in right now. We're supposed to start having rain Friday. We got that hurricane's supposed to cross over.
Yeah, they don't get saturated like that.
Guys in Louisiana say they're flooding right now. Texas, parts of Texas are evacuated. Man, this cut wood smells so good.